the media is not consisting of 10 people who have your personal agendas against you.
Yeah.
But वो जो 10 लोग हैं जो guild बना के बैठे हुए हैं, they are the one.
Yes.
Guild, yeah. They are the ones. Amir sir and me.
Ah.
And I had actually approached him also. There are many actually, but do I want to relive them?
Really?
No.
No. Okay. None.
No.
Okay. Welcome to another episode of Pop Diaries, and it gets even more exciting because we have with us Kangana Ranaut, who is unfiltered, unadulterated, and always so free-spirited.
Thank you, Amir.
And people forget to add one of the best actresses which the industry has seen, to be honest.
Thank you. That's
Yeah.
very sweet. On the eve of my first preview, what
Yeah.
we are having for Judgmental.
Yes, for Judgmental, like yeah. My flatmate is a huge fan of yours. So while I was going, he told me, "Can you add one question?" So I said, "Okay." So he wanted to ask you that when you were starting as an artist, what were the inspirations back then until now? Like, how was the present scenario? Has the inspirations are same? The force is still the same? The dreams when you started until now?
I think, for me, I had many inspirations, especially successful women. There are so many of them. And especially but unfortunately in film industry, the women who are very successful, I tried everything that, like a actress who's been successful so far has done. I can't dance.
Yeah.
I can, not do those. I'm not very convincing. Especially, I think the over glorification of cinematic beauty is also something that we also confuse with a very beautiful, like marquee star,
Yeah, you have to
as
be very-
opposed to like some हमारे जैसे अब मतलब हम कोई ऐश्वर्या राय तो है नहीं, but Aishwarya ji is like, again, she's very huge
Yes.
inspiration for me. But I can't. She can be my inspiration, but I can't be her, isn't
Exactly,
it?
you can- yes.
But I think I had to find my own way. Even though I growing up, I thought people like Kareena or people like Aishwarya ji or even Rekha ji, they're so inspirational. But I had to find my own way because in today's time and what works, where I also work, I am no Miss World or supermodel, so I also had to find my own way.
You stand apart. Bottom line is, an actress must know how to act. And you.
I think that's what I made my USP,
Yeah.
that I worked on my craft and
Yeah.
I worked on my skill. And it took me 8 years because usually when you are a superstar material, you usually click like that. you
Yeah.
know, And then you are suddenly the superstar.
Next big thing, yes.
But in my case, I took a lot of years, almost a decade to be
Yes,
successful.
yes, yes. Now, what's your present state of mind? The movie is releasing, screening, and so much has happened in the past. That song launch. So, what are the thoughts with you sleep with nowadays?
Well, look, I mean, I usually feel very relieved.
Yeah.
I think it's like
Yeah, you said
when
that in an interview.
when like a mother is about to deliver a child. I think the thing is that chalo abhi niklo, like go.
Yeah.
I think it's the same sentiment because for me, like working on a film and doing your best is very meaningful process.
Yes,
so I
definitely.
make sure that we do our best and that is done and we're on time and everything. Unlike
Yeah.
Manikarnika, I was struggling with 2,500 VFX shots
Yeah.
and my international copy had like 2-3 those shots missing where
Yes.
the VFX was not up to
Yes.
mark. And then for India copy, we were trying to make up to that, but I had great team and I think again, like there is no crisis like that here. We are on time with all the deliveries. So I'm very excited that finally it's going to reach people, and that in between phase, the promotion and
Which
all,
happens, yes.
anyway don't like, and I feel that I really do not know how to sell a film like a salesperson.
Yeah, there's no definite parameter
Yeah.
for sure. Talking about the film Judgmental Hai Kya, I can see a very wacky role, and you have a very talented co-artist, Rajkumar Rao. So, what was the vibe on the set? Was it extremely competitive, or was it a cakewalk? How was it like?
Well, with Raj, everything is like very easy going, and I always say that everyone's like, oh, you never had fights with him. I said, I don't think anybody can have fight with him
Yes.
because he will say, "Acha, you sit, you win. Abhi sit, chup chap." So how do you have a fight with somebody like that? He's
Same.
so cool.
Yeah.
He's so cool and so amazing that it surprises me that how zen like he is. Amazing.
So can we say that out of all the co-actors you have worked with, he kind of actually brings out the best? Like one of those maybe.
One of those, yes, but I worked with many great
Many
people.
great
The sad thing is that nobody writes about the kind of friendships I have, but everybody talks about some conflicts here and there. Yeah.
Yes, okay. One actress of your state, Preeti Zinta, once said that Bollywood is filled with double standards and is male dominated. In Hollywood, in the West, if Tom Cruise says no to a film like Salt, Angelina Jolie walks in and makes it a multi-billion project. In Bollywood, the chance is only not given here. So do you agree? What are your thoughts?
Well, yeah, she's also a fellow Pahadi, very opinionated, and I think mountain people are a bit
Like that.
more, I think, open that way. Yeah, I think somewhere discrimination is there, and there's a lot of work to do on that. And I think, yeah, I think she is right. I'm sure she's faced all of this in her way, and she also what she's given as a as an actor to the industry is also amazing. I remember
Yeah.
seeing her in Dil Chahta Hai, and she was such a amazing,
Yeah.
fresh of like a breath of fresh air.
Yes.
Like her hair, her styling, the way she spoke was so unconventional.
Away from that, those parameters
Yeah.
which make an actress, yes.
So I'm sure she's faced this.
Okay. Despite the so-called ban, everything what has said and happened, you are still trending. Number one, every day I see news. Kangana Ranaut is everywhere, and there's news about you. In fact, I also saw a few interviews of yours where you said that in your usual Bebak way that it's better the way it's happening now, and those interviews are also viral everywhere. Do you think what all has happened in the last few days has happened for the good?
Oh yeah, totally. Because I feel, like you said, that if media had banned me, how will I be trending?
Yeah.
Because the media is not consisting of 10 people who have your personal agendas against you.
Yes, exactly.
There are people who don't have agendas against anyone.
Yes.
And they are hard-working journalists who will report. They will let you decide whether you're right and wrong. Let people decide. They will report, but they have to report in its glory, harshness, ugliness, truth. You report.
Yes.
So there are a lot of people like that, and it's a testimony of that I'm trending every day, because they might be feeling whatever they're feeling within their minds, but वो जो 10 लोग हैं जो गिल्ड बना के बैठे हुए हैं, they are the ones,
Yes.
गिल्ड, yeah, they are the ones जिनके दिल में मतलब कुछ ना कुछ तो खोट है, क्योंकि otherwise, and I'm very happy कि वो लोग जितना भी था वो साफ हो गया, because for me also it's a very I also get harassed with all the time negativity and all the time lies, whether it is like for mental health. This new campaign had started where I don't want Raj to be on any poster. I have cut his scenes, I have changed the edit, and that was so relentless. That it was, so वही कहते हैं ना, एक झूठ को 10 बार दोहराओ तो वो भी सच बन जाता है. So that is exactly what was happening, and now you see since then no such news. So because वो सब जो बदमाश हैं एक जगह इकट्ठे हो गए हैं, and now उन्होंने खुद पे खुद बैन लगा लिया है. So I'm like, good, very good.
Good riddance. Okay, there are many leading actors who have not worked with you. Yesterday, Rangoli tweeted that she wants to see you pair up Sage, opposite Shah Rukh Khan, opposite Sushant. So, if you want to pick one actor, who do you want to work with as an artist per se? Not because you're a fan.
As a director, I think I would want to, in a love story, I would want to cast Amir sir and me.
Ah.
And I had actually approached him also.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know if you would like me to give this information out or not, but the film that I'm directing, and I was hoping to direct with him, it's a love story, and it's a biopic of a sort love story, real life love story. But I wanted to start very soon, and he's tied up. He told me about his project, and I'm like, ooh. So let's see if I wait for him or if I get another casting.
It would have been wonderful.
I would love to, and you know what? I feel that I actually would want to do an intense love story between
Yeah, which we don't see now.
husband wife, and like lovers
Mature.
turning into husband wife, and so that was the idea, and I had worked on the script a little bit, and but my first choice was Amir sir. So answering your question, yes.
Okay. Also, if you can pick one scene which you did that you can relive again just because it had such a huge impact on you, which one would it be? One scene which had a major impact on you personally.
Oh, major impact on me. There are many actually, but do I want to relive them?
Really? No. Okay. That.
No, because mostly they are very emotionally
Draining.
and very high intensity scenes. Easy breezy ones don't change anything in you.
I love Simran. I know it. Eventually she'll go to the jail, but I love that character.
Yeah, she's quite a nice and flawed character. I think the scene in the cafeteria when Queen's breakup happens,
Yeah.
and how he makes her feel so low, and so
Yeah.
Raj's character, he makes Rani feel so.
So yeah.
So
the
he
first
humiliates her, and he says that तुम्हारा मेरा standard match नहीं करता, and so because I've been so confident as a person always to be in somebody's shoes who's so nastily rejected and make you feel so small in a relationship which actually thrives on equality and
Yes.
on self-respect and on respecting each other. It was such an eye-opener for me that like how a partner can make you feel, because to be honest I've not been in a place like that where breakups have happened. I've got dumped also, but not like अब हमारे standards. It's been more problems.
Not like Rani. Yes.
Yeah, problems have been that I've been more of hyperactive person, but not that has never been my problem. So it was a big eye opener to know that people underconfident, how people take them for a ride and how they manipulate them. It was a very big eye opener.
Yeah, that scene is impactful. The movie's title is Judgmental Hai Kya. So if you want to put it out there, what are the certain things Kangana Ranaut is always misjudged for most of the times by everyone?
I think for just being very open and being very candid with people around me, which I think is a good quality, but people judge me for that.
Yeah, I was also a bit nervous, but right now it's going fab.
I think you didn't look nervous.
Yeah.
In fact, you looked very calm and I thought, wow,
acting.
very confident guy.
Thank you. Lastly, I want to ask you what is that one message to your fans, to your lovers, to your haters, etc. Many of them who share one common interest, which is cinema. So what would you tell about the film, which is the USP of the film, which should make them buy the tickets?
I think, you guys know what is best for you. I do not want to suggest that you see my film because it is good for you. There is no such thing. You see this film if you want to, and if you see this film and if you really like it, tell your friends about it. And I personally, I think it's a great film, and I really enjoyed it. If you see it, you will enjoy it as well.
I'm going tonight, and you can see the review later on. So thank you, Kangana, for being on the show. It was lovely to have you.
If you like this video, please share and subscribe to Pop Diaries.